girlfriend's gonna see this, man. Don't say that stuff.
My name is Austin. I'm a second-year co-op student in biological and pharmaceutical chemistry.
My name's Austin as well. I'm also in biological and pharmaceutical chemistry, and I'm in my 4th year.
Hey, I'm Chris. I'm in my 4th year here at Guelph in BPCH.
I knew that I was interested in the pharmaceutical industry, and other than the campus, it was the stipulation that co-op was offered in this program, but it's just like the uniqueness of the program that kind of caught my eye.
I really liked, the curriculum for this program because no other school really offers a mixture of chemistry and biochemistry, whereas this program you could get into it right from high school. And it was just really unique that I could learn about synthesis of drugs and different theoretical chemistry, as well as the biochemistry aspect and how it applies to living organisms.
Myself personally, I started off in biological sciences here at Guelph. In 2nd year, I found out about the biological and pharmaceutical chemistry program, and I switched into it. I haven't regretted it for a minute. It's helped out a lot in terms of learning a lot of things that they actually do in the pharmaceutical industry. I went to Seneca College as a joint program with the University of Guelph, and through that program there's a lot of hands-on lab work that you actually do in the pharmaceutical industry.
I think it's cool too that Guelph, there's a lot of, in our program and other biochemistry or physical science programs, that there's a lot of disciplines you get to fool around with. Analytical chemistry, there's organic chemistry, and you get into like a little bit of micro and other biology, so you can kind of choose your specifications later on in the year.
This year, in your 4th year, you get the opportunity to do a 4th year research project. You send out an email, ask a prof if they're interested in taking you on, and if they are, you get to do lab research with them. So it's kind of like a good change between doing your undergrad, where you're always in teaching labs, whereas in your 4th year research project, you're given a little bit more freedom to do real research, and it's kind of a good transition from your undergrad into your master's. So you get to get a feel for if you really want to do your master's or not before you commit to 2 years of it.
I'm only in 2nd year, so probably the most exciting thing in my program is co-op right now that I'm on the work term, but it kind of gives me, being around master students doing research on their own, it kind of gives me like an idea of if I want to do that and how far I can go with it.
My best experience so far, I guess, would be a combination of 2 experiences. The last year I had a USRA, which is basically you get paid to work in a lab with the professor, and it was a great experience because I got a lot of autonomy over the research I wanted to do, and it was very successful, and we're currently publishing a paper now, so it's very possible at Guelph to get these, and it's very possible to get publications. And also working, doing my research project now, we all have a lot of experience in lab, especially in academia labs, which is rare for larger schools, I would say, and the groups are smaller, so there's more help from the master students and more access to the professors. Like, the profs here are very approachable as well. They'll lecture during class, and it's not easy, but if you want to learn more, they're very open to going to their class, and that extends out into their research as well.